Welcome to our deep dive into the hidden world of mushrooms. Get ready to be amazed by these fascinating fungi.
Did you know that mushrooms are more closely related to animals than plants? Scientists have found that fungi share a more recent common ancestor with animals.
The largest living organism on Earth is a mushroom. The honey fungus in Oregon stretches over 2,385 acres.
Mushrooms can glow in the dark. Bioluminescent mushrooms like the foxfire use a chemical reaction to emit light. Truffles, a type of mushroom, are considered one of the most expensive foods in the world. Some can sell for thousands of dollars per pound.
There are over 10,000 known species of mushrooms, with estimates suggesting there could be over 140,000 species in existence.
Mushrooms have been used in traditional medicine for thousands of years, especially in cultures like Chinese and Japanese.
The ancient Egyptians believed mushrooms were the plant of immortality, referring to them as a gift from the gods.
Mycorrhizal fungi form symbiotic relationships with plants, helping them absorb water and nutrients from the soil.
The button mushroom, portobello mushroom, and cremini mushroom are all the same species, Agaricus bisporus, but at different stages of growth. Mushrooms can have powerful medicinal properties. Reishi mushrooms, for example, are known for their immune-boosting effects. Psychoactive mushrooms, often called magic mushrooms, contain the chemical psilocybin, which can cause hallucinations.
Mushrooms are an excellent source of vitamin D when exposed to sunlight, similar to how humans synthesize vitamin D. Some mushrooms can digest plastics and petroleum products, potentially helping with bioremediation.
There's a type of mushroom known as the zombie ant fungus that infects ants and manipulates their behavior.
Mushrooms produce spores which can travel long distances in the air. One mature mushroom can release up to 16 billion spores.
Enoki mushrooms have a long shelf life due to their high antioxidative properties that prevent them from spoiling quickly.
The death cap mushroom is one of the most poisonous mushrooms in the world, responsible for the majority of mushroom poisoning fatalities.
Shiitake mushrooms contain lentinin, a compound believed to have anti-cancer properties.
Fungi, including mushrooms, play an essential role in ecosystems as decomposers, breaking down dead organic material.
The shiitake mushroom is the second most cultivated mushroom in the world, prized for its rich, smoky flavor.
Cordyceps mushrooms are parasitic and primarily grow on the larvae of insects, fascinating many due to their unique life cycle.
Mushrooms can be used to create sustainable packaging as an alternative to plastic. This material is called mycofoam.
The fly agaric mushroom, known for its iconic red cap with white spots, is toxic and has hallucinogenic properties.
Some mushrooms grow faster at night. Oyster mushrooms, for instance, can double in size in just one night.
In 1991, a well-preserved frozen mummy, known as Otzi the Iceman, was found with a type of fungus believed to have medicinal properties.
Lion's mane mushrooms have been shown to have neuroprotective effects and may stimulate nerve growth.
Mushrooms don't have seeds. Instead, they reproduce through spores that can grow into a new fungus.
Mushrooms have a high water content, typically about 90%. This makes them low in calories and ideal for a healthy diet.
Some mushrooms are known as polypores and have tiny, pore-like structures on their undersides instead of gills.
Turkey tail mushrooms contain compounds that may support the immune system and have been studied for their potential anti-cancer effects.
Some fungi are bioluminescent and emit light. The jack-o'-lantern mushroom glows a greenish light in the dark.
In Japan, Rice straw mushrooms grow on paddy straw and are popular in Eastern and Southeastern Asian cuisines.
The ink cap mushroom produces a black liquid, historically used as a natural ink.
Certain fungi produce antibiotic substances. Penicillin, the first antibiotic, is derived from the Penicillium fungus.
Fungal enzymes are efficient at decomposing plant matter, making them pivotal in soil formation and nutrient recycling.
Gyrometra esculenta, often called false morel, can be deadly if not prepared correctly due to the presence of hydrazine toxins.
The term mushroom is derived from the French word mousseron, which means moss.
Some mushrooms can remain viable for years in dry conditions, waiting for the right environment to grow. Earth stars are a unique type of fungi that puff out spores when they are disturbed, creating small, dramatic puffs.
The parasol mushroom is distinguished by its large cap and is popular in European cuisine due to its pleasant taste.
Mushrooms have a knack for breaking down lignin in wood, a trait uncommon in the plant kingdom.
And that's a wrap on our journey through the fascinating and diverse world of mushrooms. We hope you enjoyed these incredible facts.